Okay, I think we are live. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, everyone. Thanks for joining this Jogg AI webinar, Q&A. Jogg, you create videos and avatars using AI, and Anbang Xu is here, the founder of Jogg AI. Thank you for making some time for the community.
Sure. Hello, everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Yeah. And
Yeah. Where are you joining us from? I like your background. It looks like you're in somewhere a little tropical. No, I don't know.
in the county, right? In the county.
Yeah.
Actually, I'm located in Singapore. Right now,
Singapore.
we are in the Singapore and like 10 p.m. right now.
10 p.m. Okay, so your day is ending, I guess, slowly, right? Coming to an end, or you're staying up late to do some extra work after the session.
Yeah, usually I stay late because a lot of the user feedback, and our team is work hard on it because we are a startup, right? Just launched like half a year, so we need to work hard and to make like a product update quickly.
Yeah, and then you add the lifetime deal, which is on AppSumo right now, currently, correct? How much longer is that going to be on there for?
I think we end in the end of the December, probably in the beginning of January.
Okay. So first, like, I have to ask you, because I've been using Jogg and I like it. It's a lot of fun. I know it's still development working. That's why you're doing a lot of these sessions. I see you active in Facebook Q&A, trying to get the product perfect because it's a crowded space. But what made you decide to create Jogg AI? Was this something in the works for a long time? What's your past experience with AI? Your origin story. How did this all begin?
Right. Okay. Yes. I think it's the main reason is from like two things, right? The first one is because our personal experience. In my previous company, we also do like AI we do AI education project. But at that time, we need to do a lot of marketing video. At that time, we need to find a lot of like KOC, KOL to make a video. But find a KOC, KOL or find a model is very time consuming, right? So and we want to find like UGC content, right? We want to make the UGC ads. So the human is how to hire, how to find, but avatar is very easy to do it. This is why we focus on like UGC avatar, right? And then the second reason is because of my experience. Right? I worked on like avatar or AI project more than like 10 years. I graduated from like UC Urban. I did the master in UC Urban and major in the machine learning.
So you're a pretty smart guy. I just went to art.
No.
I just went to art school. I went to art school, which was total waste of money for me. But you actually did something.
It's just different talents, right? It's different talents.
Yes.
Yeah. So after graduate, I joined Google for in the TensorFlow, do the AI project, and later on I joined Apple for the AI project, like Siri. I work on Siri.
Wow. So you were at Google and Apple?
Yeah. Previous I work in Google and Apple.
Wow, the big two. There you go.
Yeah. And after Apple, I start my own company in China. It's like AI education company because I'm a Chinese.
Yes.
It's easy for me to start a startup company in China, and at the time we do AI education project. And we see the very hard to create very good UGC ads, and then in nowadays AI can make this one very smoothly. So this is why we create this company, the Jogg AI. We want to use the AI UGC avatar to very simply to create the UGC content.
Yeah, the Avatar edition was a great surprise. I really like it. I think it had some quirks in the beginning, which I discussed in my review, like sometimes with the background removal, little things, but you put it out there so quickly, and those bugs seem to be squashed right away. So is that, I guess, why you're doing a lot of these Q&As to get to know what the community? And you went to AppSumo probably for a lot of good testers to check out the tool, really push it and see what they could break.
Yes,
Fix.
yes.
Yes,
So
yes.
actually, we went to the consumer. It's just because of the user feedback. It's no for like the money or for revenue. The offer we provide in the consumer, it definitely we cannot like break even, right? It's very hard for us. But our
Yeah.
goal, because we get a lot of fund, we get the funding, and we also our user is like every month is triple growth. We don't want to make money from LTD user. We just want to get the feedback and build the like loyal affiliate marketing in here, right? In here,
Yeah.
and then
Yeah.
we want to build a very good product, fit the user's need, and then make money from the regular user, recurring user. These are our goals actually.
Rouhani Rabin, our good buddy in the LoudEgg group, all the Kenmu groups, all our community, Google to Apple, boss stuff. And yeah, you cross from one side to the other. Oh, this is actually your background. TC Crazy, hello. I've been hearing a lot about HeyGen, and I'm interested in checking it out. I'd love to give it a try and see what it can do. Now, yeah, I
Yeah,
guess HeyGen is the gold standard. It was on early on products, more mature, been there for a while, and I'm sure you get this a lot. People comparing Jogg AI to HeyGen. Anything there to talk about?
right. Actually, at this time, I want to tell us what's the difference between Hagen and us, right?
Yeah,
Hagen is very popular, right? Why we want to do the Jog AI, right? Actually, we are not going to compete with them. What the difference between us is Hagen, the avatar in Hagen, they did is like very professional one, right? Very professional and very serious avatar.
yes,
But what
yeah,
we did is more like AGC, more casual.
yeah, yeah,
Their avatar is used for like the B2B, like a 2B company, like an
yeah,
educational company. But our avatar is for UGC content, like UGC ads or UGC like anything, right? Because it's like for you, if you want to do a very social video, you can use Jog AI. It's no
yeah,
agent.
yeah.
If you want to do a very serious education video, you can go for like agent, right? There's difference.
Yeah, Faz has made it. Yes, you made it. I know this one was like HeyGen. Yeah, that's a compliment. Yeah, I used HeyGen early on, and I was impressed by it. And Jog AI, I think, because you guys released it pretty early, young stage, it's very advanced for something that was you haven't been around that long, in the space. So
Right. Actually, let me add one thing. Right. So Hagen and Jog AI, we have a very similar like a tech foundation. We do like lip sync, we do TTS, right? But our application is different, right? It's a little bit different. One is for like professional avatar. One is for social avatar. Yeah.
yeah, that's what Niru is asking. Can you tell a little difference? Yeah, there you go. Niru is a school teacher, I believe. So I'm wondering, Niru, if you're using Jog AI yet, or have you used anything else? And also a little difference. Team plan. This was something that's been discussed in, I believe, Ken Moo's LTD community on Facebook. The team plan that you
Yeah.
added new features there.
Yes, yes. So team feature we launch with in like tier 4 and tier 5, right? In the App Store, we don't add a team to the tier 3. This is a lot of people complain, right? But this is the reason behind because we check our like competitor Hagen, Kama, right? They
Yeah.
they always separate the creator and team plan, right?
Yeah.
And in our like regular plan, we need to consistent with this because creators the need of the creator is they want to build a lot of video, but no for like a member, like multiple member to manage the team. It's different, and the team usually is used for you manage your team member, and you share the asset, right? So it's different. So we need to separate. It's different like user profile. Yeah.
Yeah. Clevin says Jogg's UI is almost similar to HeyGen. Have you gotten that a lot where it's similar?
Yeah, yeah. We, the agent is a type of one, right? When we first launch, we definitely we need to learn how to do this from them, right? Then actually, if you know the Canvas UI, agent is also very similar to Canvas.
Yeah, yeah, yes. I've read that too in some groups. People say, "Hey, this looks
Yeah,
similar." There's
and
Danny.
yeah, and let me one more thing.
Yeah, of course.
Agent actually they hire a lot of people from the Canvas. In because why the reason behind is because we don't want to make like a most advantage e- editor, right? But our editor is for avatar,
Gotcha.
and then we want to keep it simple and just for avatar, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
Yeah, it's very different with the like a CapCut. CapCut has a very advanced editor, but they don't have the best technology for avatar. It's a little bit different.
yeah. Derek, with unlimited videos and using 11 Labs API, is this LTD sustainable? I guess.
Yes, like I said very earlier, we don't want to make money from you guys, right? As long as you use it and provide feedback for us, this is very valuable because we also need to invest money to do like marketing research. We
Yeah.
just we just put this money in LTD, right? This is what we
Yeah, then you want to focus
what
on
we
the
do.
MRR, the most
Yeah,
important part. Will the tool be sustainable? That's the most important thing. The
yeah,
LTD, of course, LTD will be, for
yeah.
when it's running, you would hope it would survive that. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. We survive is not because of LTD, but
Yeah.
because LTD give us feedback and we make
Yes.
a good product and
Yes.
we make money from a regular user, right? This is the basic
Well,
reason.
I
Yeah.
see I see you or Constance like every day, every morning I wake up, there's another post, in Ken Moo's group, and it's like you're giving updates, and then you're listening to feedback, and then you respond the next day with another post. So you guys have been on top of the communication, which is nice to see because some founders will launch a lifetime deal and that's it, they disappear. So it's good that you're staying
Yeah,
proactive.
yeah.
Andy Lim.
Yeah, we are very serious about this project. We want to make it very very successful. Actually,
Yeah.
we are very serious. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Andy Lim. Hey, Andy, what about full body custom avatar? Full
Yes,
body.
this is also in our plan. But we need to focus on one group of people and then move to the next one, right? So now we are very focused on like UGC avatar and UGC contents. This is right now is our most focus on. But in the future, when this very standable, we will definitely extend next scenario. Yeah.
Clean graphics. Can I create multiple brand kits?
Yes, for sure. Yeah, yes. If you are in tier 3, I think you only can create one brain key. But you if for tier 4 and tier 5, you can create as many as you can.
Back to Sir. Apart from avatars, any plans to generate videos with AI images and AI clips?
Any plan to generate video with AI image and AI clips?
Yeah, you could already do it with
Uh,
the
yeah,
images. You could add images and they are AI clips.
yeah. I think this is we are working on like idea to video, right? But right now, idea to video, if you use like AI image and AI clip, right, it's not very very good. So our first priority is in we are going to integrate with some like stock media,
Okay.
like getting image, and then if as the AI technology it become a more mature, we will add this feature too. Yeah.
Yeah,
So
JDeep is comparing to Pictory, which I think that's part of it. With that has more of the text to video.
Yeah, sure, sure.
prompts?
Actually, what's the difference between the picture and us? We are more focused on UGC avatar, right? And but we will do a lot of application such as product to video, URL to video, and we also will do like script to video, idea to video, right? But now we like one by one. Right now we are focused on like product to video, URL to video, and next we will do like idea to video, right? As long as you will use like UGC avatar, is in our scope.
Yeah, in the scope, but you still want to make sure you have the core down of the product, that you don't spread yourself too thin. So you're doing it in stages, because obviously you get the AppSumo and the Ken Mouat community, all the communities, they come out and they say, hey, can you add this? Can you add this? And sometimes you say, yes, we will, but slow down,
Right.
right?
That's true. That's true. It's like this, right? Right now at this moment, as long as I have UGC avatar, a lot of people will use it. And application, sometimes they will like a pictory, right? The most famous feature of Learn is like image to video. But this one, someone can use our like API to use our avatar and put this avatar in their editor, right? They can also solve their problem. But in the future, we will add this application one by one.
Oh, that's great. Yeah, no, the avatar is so much fun. I've been fooling around with it and even using it in a fun way of responding to people's Facebook comments and having, me say something in a
Yeah,
different
that's
voice.
true. That's true.
And also for doing client reviews,
Right,
having a
right.
video there of an avatar of somebody talking. It's
Yeah,
it's
yeah,
it's
yeah.
a lot. It's
Yeah,
really great.
one thing you just mentioned, and a lot of people want to use the like SaaS company, right? They want to like screen record. This is also one scenario, one application, right? So we now we focus on UGC avatar, but in the future, based on like SaaS company, we will also add an application called like the screen recording, right? To integrate with our avatar.
Nice.
Yeah.
Sahinor, what is the fair usage limit for the unlimited plan on AppSumo?
What
Or
does this mean?
unlimited. What is like the fair usage of? Is there anything where you have unlimited but you kind of cap it off if someone's like abusing the system? Can ever have really unlimited, even though a lot of sumolings won't even come near the limits. They just want to know, is there like a fair usage policy?
Yeah, yeah. So actually, for us, most of people they do like 15 to 100 video per day. Most
Wow.
of people they do that. Yeah, and some people they will do like more than 300 video per day. But usually they don't last long.
Yeah.
Yeah, they don't last long. No, they don't keeping they don't keep generating, every generating like more than 300 video every day, right? It's hard for him too.
I have tried many times to make a video from AliExpress, but failed. Do you include AliExpress?
Yes, actually, for like different website, we try to to adapt to the most common one. But some website require more like scrape ability and authority, right? For AliExpress, I think we support most of the URL, but some fails. So
Yeah.
the best way for you is you need to give us your URL, and then our live support team will check it, and we reply to you. But if it's the popular website, we will definitely adapt it. Yeah.
It's Madge. Hey guys. Madge is a good SEO PR guy if anyone needs him. Yeah, it is more on the AliExpress scraping protection thing you should try with other known platforms like WooCommerce first.
Yep.
And there's Inderpy. Let's ask questions. Yes. Madge, does Jogg AI have an API? Yeah.
Yes. Yes. I think
Course,
Joe also
yeah.
can answer this.
Yes, definitely have it.
Yeah.
Are you aware of the burden some founders face with unlimited LTDs? This deal caught my attention the most, but your unlimited plan is holding me back from opting for a higher plan. Oh, he's actually see some users, they want unlimited, and then some also like myself get a little nervous when they see unlimited and they're like, oh, how are you going to scale after later?
Yeah. This is like it's hard to say, right? It's
Common
like
question. Yeah.
yeah. I think we should our company like Jogg AI and the LTD user, we need to build the trust like long term, right? It's not like I say a lot, you will trust me right now, right? But it takes time. I think it takes time. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
It takes time. Yeah.
Any plan to connect 11 labs with it?
Yeah, actually, we now we most of our voice
It's
come
all
from
11 labs.
the 11 lab, right? But what if you what you're talking about is you if you already clone your voice in 11 lab, you want to move it to the Jog. We are working on it right now. Right?
Oh, okay.
We are working on it. Yeah.
Yeah. You also followed up with any plan we can integrate with Play HT so we can clone voices on it.
Yeah, we will definitely, integrate with as many as the 30 part, like a voice, right? We are not focused on like TDS. TDS, we will definitely we will integrate with the third party. As long as user, they think this one is good for them, we will integrate. Yeah. What our focus is lip sync and AIGC, right? We will focus on lip sync and AIGC.
To improve that lip sync. I've already
Yeah.
seen improvements because when I was practicing setting up the avatars of myself, a whole bunch of ones in your system now, you can watch me make a fool of myself. I noticed early on it was a little bit off. Now it's improving, but when I recorded myself further back, the quality was much better. But when you record very close to the camera, and it's obviously a little bit different. Are you finding
Yeah.
that with how to stay in front of the camera, how far away? Is there
Yeah,
recommendations?
I think it's very different, right? It depends on the size of your head. It depends on how far is your camera. I think we should. You are right. We should have some like guideline
You
for
have a
people.
video. You have a video, which is
Yeah,
great.
yeah, yeah.
It shows you
But
exactly.
it's not good enough. It's not good enough actually.
Yeah, and I'm
There's
also learning.
a lot of details. So I think we can collect more, the bad case, the good case, and then we come up with a new guideline and give it, make it more detail, make it more, make it more explanation, right, to the people. Yeah. If you when you record avatar, right? If you put more effort in first time, it
Yes.
definitely worth it. Yeah.
Yeah, I noticed also the script of what you read off of your
Yeah, that's true.
test one. Sometimes if I'm not smiling enough or opening my mouth,
Yeah,
the
that's true.
teeth look different.
Yeah,
Sometimes I
yeah,
look
yeah.
better. I look. It's not hard to do, but I look better on your avatar, and I like it. I want to use that as me for even these sessions.
Right. So if you make your own avatar, right? You can also adjust it, right?
Yeah,
If you in your first video, if you are not satisfied, you can redo it. Right? You can
yeah,
redo it.
yeah. Asif, who is your ideal customer? E-com merchants, affiliators, or else?
Yeah, actually, what we did is we did like UGC avatar, right? The UGC avatar, the best case is to create the UGC content. I think the most the advertiser, the marketer, right, the e-commerce, they
Yeah,
will need it, including like agency, right? Yeah.
yeah, it does it all. Danny, I added a TikTok shop review video. I made it and it came out really good with my avatar and footage, plus
Yeah,
Jog
thanks,
AI
thanks.
stocks. See, that's good. Clevin, would you please consider to increase the number of workspace for tier 4 and above?
Right now, the tier four is like two workspace, right? Tier five is five workspace. I think it's very good enough, right? For tier four, you only have like three seats, and then we give two space, right? And then for tier four, we have 10 seats, and we give like five space, right? Yeah, yeah, I think it's good enough. Because we don't want to give like 10 workspace. It's very easy for people to abuse it, right? They do like group buy, right? They purchase the tier five, right? And then they just resell it for like 10 different people. We don't like it, right? We don't want to do this actually.
Interpret, we use HeyGen for this and 11 Labs for voices. Will there any plan to connect 11 Labs API? I think
Yeah,
you
yeah,
mentioned
definitely,
before. Yeah, yeah.
yeah, definitely.
Derek Seymour, are you going to integrate with Make or Pabbly?
Yeah, why you should give us like user case why you want to integrate with Maker and property, right? If your case is very common one, we will definitely add it, right? We have the priority, right? We have priority. If your case is like what I say, if you represent the SaaS company, right? We will definitely do it because SaaS company the market size is very very big. There's a lot of user. But if this case is only for you, I think you can use our API to build your own.
Sam, hey buddy. Hello guys, let me ask a tough question. I hope you don't mind telling us what is your monthly cost of running Jogg AI, including 11 lab, including 11 lab. Okay, I guess that's it.
Yeah, definitely, it's fine. We now we like the 100,000 per month.
Jeez. Okay, so you're honest. I was like,
Yeah,
yeah, you have to tell.
I think it's okay because actually, we already profit,
Yeah.
but we also invest a lot of money in the new technology, in the new, in the new technology, in the new product. We will very soon we will launch the AI GC avatar. This one would be is very good. You can use the AI to generate the image, and then from the image you can create the motion, right? And then from the motion you can customize your avatar. So this one we put a lot of hope,
Yeah.
the hope on it. Yeah.
Interpret any way that we can use Jog AI and AI voice chatbot or even live stream. Yeah, that's a good question. Can I put it in my live stream? I guess I
Yeah,
could. It's a little.
any way we can use Jog AI in AI voice chatbot. Oh, I see.
Yeah.
Actually, we are working on we also working on like interactive avatar,
Nice.
interactive, right? So
Yeah.
yeah, so at a time you can integrate with LLM, or you can use it as like customer support. You can use it as like virtual daughter, virtual teacher, right?
Wow.
You can at a time you can use it.
That's I guess down the road,
Right,
2025.
right.
That's not the
So
yeah, that's gonna take a little more work.
yeah, I can explain this more because we focus on UGC avatar. This is like the avatar, right? Human, right?
Yeah.
And then what human can do is like make a video, right? Make a video, and also you can like do interactive, right? You can also do live stream. So this is all different, like three different ability, right? We will add this different ability to our avatar, but it takes time, right? It takes time. Now
Yeah.
we focus on video, and then we will do the interactive. And in the end, we will make the avatar can do the image, can do the live stream.
That would be cool. I would love that. Let it do the live stream for me. Brave. Can we use our avatar like a character? Yeah, I'm a cartoonist illustrator, so I would love to like be able to implement the cartoon character avatar.
Yeah, definitely. But our model now is more
It's the
it's not very good in the like a character, right?
yeah,
Yeah, what we training is more like a realistic, like the realistic avatar. Yeah,
yeah.
it take time to go for us to go there. I think at this moment, at least from now to after 3 months, we will also focus on realistic like avatar. Yeah.
Yeah, there's other platforms out there too that just focus on more of the mid journey, AI cartoon images or whatever, and then they throw it into custom avatar.
Yeah, that's true.
Clean graphics. Do you offer help to create custom templates so we can batch create in certain custom template?
Yeah, right now we already have the custom template. I think you have like 1 week you don't log in your system, right? If you
Yeah,
log in, you go to the template section, you will see the custom templates.
nice. Niru, any update to add Indian local languages?
Yeah, this is my colleague working on it. You just need to send your request to our live chat support. We will add the language within like one to two days. Yeah.
Okay. What's the difference between tier 3, tier 4, and tier 5? Yeah, there's been some confusion, I guess, lately where you added more features in the higher
Yeah.
tiers. So
Actually, tier three is only for like the creator, right? A single creator.
that's what I have,
They,
I think. Yeah.
yeah. You can create a video as many as you want every month, right? For tier 4, it's like we have the seats, multiple seats. You can invite your friend, you can invite your colleague into this workspace to cooperate with the project, right? And tier 5, the difference between tier 5 and tier 4 is tier 5 has more seats, more workspace. Is for a bigger company. Let's say it's simple, right?
Yeah.
Usually we sell the tier 3 for creator. We sell a tier 4 for a small agent. We sell a tier 5 for big brand.
Yeah. Makes sense. DS, the last time we understood that your voice AI is expensive, can you elaborate? If you're using 11 labs, it should not be too expensive.
Actually, 11 Lab is very expensive.
Yeah.
Yeah,
It's where everybody gets their everything from. I mean, that's the core.
yeah,
That's the main.
it's expensive. I don't know. Yeah. I think probably for us it's expensive.
You know, it is. I mean, there is. Yeah, you have the like I have a 11 labs, like $11 a month. You know, but that's not
Yeah, it's
using the
expensive.
API. That's just for personal use. It's very affordable if you just want to play around with voice cloning. But I guess for products to connect the API, that's where it gets a little more expensive.
Yeah, I think we have like now like 10,000 per month for the event app. So it's very expensive.
I mean, every product needs to be driven by a product owner to make the call, which will come first or later, cause social comments may not know the vision of the product. This is really true.
Every product needs to be driven by the product owner and make the call, which can come. Hmm.
Yeah.
So he want to ask our vision, right?
No, yeah. Besides the vision, also, I guess, you have to, it has to be driven by the founder, to make the call, which will come first or which is later. That's what I think he's saying, that you're making a call on what to do. And, yeah, because social comments may not know the vision of the product. So be careful with a lot of the noise you'll get and a lot of good feedback that you still have to stay. I'm guessing this is what being saying is stay focused on your vision. Don't
Mm-hmm.
deviate too much because we've seen that
Yeah,
happen where you do other things and then the product it hurts.
yeah.
Yeah.
Well, that's true.
Yeah.
That's true.
Yeah.
So actually, we are very focused on what we are doing. Because I have I start. This is my second company. I start my first company like 3 or 4 years ago, and we also run very successfully.
Yeah.
So I know how to do the position, how to make the company success. So we know what we are doing. We are very focused on like UGC avatar, like what I say, and then from this, and then we expand our application, right? We using different scenario, different use case. But right now, when LTD users come, because we are not very sure about how they use it, so we definitely will listen to everybody and try our best to make our technology can fit their needs.
And they could try it out on AppSumo. You're going to be there, you said, for like another month, maybe less. They get the 30 or 60-day trial period if they want to try it for themselves, and you can always refund.
Yes,
Do you
yes.
have a free trial on the Jogg AI website or no? Free
Yes.
trial.
So
Okay.
if you go to the AppStreamer like product page, right? If you and then you go to our like landing page, as long as you subscribe, you get a 10 free credit for free trial.
Okay. That's great. Premier Health Research. Have you done any outside rounds of funding?
Outside runs funding. What does it mean?
I guess for funding Jogg AI, investors. That's what I'm guessing. If
Yeah,
you if you have
we get a funding, but we also invest by ourselves, right?
okay.
But we don't we actually we are very well founded, and
Okay.
we have no any like finance like situation,
Yeah,
so
yeah.
you don't need to worry about it because you can see the our product updates, right? We are very fast. We definitely has a very strong team. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. No, your team's great. I mean, Constance, I think she emails me back right away. Doesn't matter what time it is. You guys are on top of everything. So,
Yes, yes. So we work hard. Yeah.
yeah. No vacations, not yet. Does it provide webhooks or API
Yes,
documentation to connect with the platform like Go High Level?
of course. Yeah.
Yes. Okay, everything is there on your site. Let's see. I think it's suitable for real estate. Many use cases with it. Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah, you could use
we
it for
can.
real estate agents. Yeah, that don't want to be on camera, or they do and make an avatar of themselves, and they can just put a new script in each time when they're selling a house. So
Yeah,
very
that's
good.
true. We have a lot of like real estate customers. But if there's some case we don't meet your needs, you can definitely talk with us. If it's like common case, we will definitely add it, right? If not, you can ask us to provide the API. You can do it by yourself.
Okay. Oh, also for everyone joining, we're doing a giveaway. I think it was like 10 Jogg AI accounts. And since we have so many questions, we'll do it after the session, right? And Bang, I guess we could ask you and Constance, we can do a random draw, or whoever's contributed good questions, comments, we'll pick one of the attendees. Is that a good idea?
Yeah,
This way we don't have to do
sure.
it during the session. Sometimes we do answer this question first, and then it doesn't always show right, and then people get mad. So we'll do it that way.
Yeah, yeah.
J Deep, are there any add-ons?
What do you mean add-ons?
Like if you have something even with the LTD, but you want to pay extra monthly or one-time fee to get something else, another
Yeah,
feature.
I think this is very depend on people's need, right? If in the future, more people request for like more seats, like more like a workspace, probably we will do it. But no, right now is no in the plan. Yeah.
Okay. Hello, I have tried your app, but it doesn't work on Shine. I would like to know when it will work on Temu and AliExpress, which are the apps everyone is using on TikTok. I think you.
Yeah.
Uh,
Actually, this one you can talk with our live chat team. We have like the script team working on adapt with different like website. You just talk with them. They will definitely if it's very high demanding, right? We will definitely do it in 1 week.
and you have the a chat on the site, live chat, and you have support, email support there.
Yes.
No
Yes.
Discord group.
Yeah. I also have
Yes,
Discord. We
Discord.
also have
Yes, that's
Discord.
right.
Yeah.
I've seen the Discord. Yep.
You can pick up. You use email or use a live chat support or Discord.
You're everywhere. You guys are everywhere.
Everywhere, everywhere. But
Does that make it harder to manage the workflow, like where things are coming in, or you just it's better, more resources?
and we different social channel they have a different like functionality, right? So people get used to they are get used to, right? People if you they use a Discord, they don't like to do like they would not use like Slack. They would not use like the Facebook group,
I
right?
use Slack for internal for like the agency I work at. We use Slack, stuff like that. But
Yeah,
I don't know
yeah.
if I would use that for support.
Yeah, but most of people they just want to use one, right? So it's no
Yeah,
depend on us. It's
yeah,
depend on what people where are our user. We come there. So is there's is no choice by us.
yeah.
And actually we have the like Unibox. We have
Okay.
Unibox to
Yeah,
connect with like different channels user.
gotcha. So you have it all
Whenever,
covered.
yeah, wherever you ask the question in the Discord or in the Facebook group or in the live chat, we will the customer support team will see them and then assign to different customer the supports. Yeah.
Nice. And Dirtbreed, can we schedule directly downloaded video to cross posting in social media?
Yeah, this is it's already we are already working on it. It will be live, in like 2 weeks or probably at most like 3 weeks.
Brave, can I upload and use my custom voice? Yeah.
Yes, now it's actually
Yeah.
we already have it. Yeah.
I've been doing it. It's fun. Is it permissible to use Jog as middleware to develop a SaaS product if the user
Yes.
holds a license 5?
Yes. So we provide an API, right? So you can use the API. If you want to use the SDK, you should talk with our like the support team. If it's reasonable and it's very easy for us to adapt it, we will also do it. Yeah. But if you use API, you can definitely do it right now. Yeah.
Yuck. Can I add a logo watermark?
Yeah, sure. You can add any element, right? The image, video, or anything, in our like pro editor, you can do a lot. Yeah.
Francois, here come the French questions. Is this solution only for product or services? Can also be explained. Yeah, is it just for product or services? You can use it for anything. I've been using it for everything. So,
Yeah,
but
you can use for anything. Like what I say, what we focus is UGC avatar, right? To create the UGC
yes,
content. Yeah, yeah, and then UGC content, is all different, scenario, all different use case, right? No matter where are you from, you use for the product or use for the service or use for education, right? It's all of them. Yeah.
yeah, no, it's great because you got the avatar, then it pulls the data from the website or Amazon or whatever the products, and it kind of just transitions. But I've been enjoying using it just for some of my blog articles that I have on my
Yeah, yeah,
websites,
yeah.
client websites, just to make a little. It pulls the script from the blog and has the person saying, summarizing the blog and making it more interesting. You don't have to
Right.
just use it on products. You can use it on
Yeah.
anything. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Actually, we are also add the like blog to video, and then we will generate like auto below for you, right?
Yeah, yeah. And you can edit. I like that you can edit the script too that it gives you. It does generate some really nice ideas and concepts of making like I went through some old blogs that I had on the LoudEgg website, and I ran through Jog, and it just kind of made it more fun. It
Yeah,
made it more
that's
fun, and it kind of like made me sound smarter. So I like that. I like that feature. Sar. I see a lot of potential for education courses. Some educators are camera shy or not vocally confident. You can also consider Jog AI for serious professional uses like HeyGen. Yeah, this is, I mean, my main use case.
yeah, that's true. That's true. But at this time, we need to have some very different, different use case. But we definitely will do like a hidden alternative, right?
Raul, is integration with Shopify possible?
Yeah,
It
yeah.
does. Yeah, you post. Yeah.
One weeks ago, the Shopify, like the economist response, the economist charger, they contact with us. They want us become a, I think it's also add-on or extender, right? They want us to go there like a
Wow.
tool store. Yeah.
So you're gonna be like a Shopify partner, one of their
Yeah,
partners. Yeah,
we are planning. Is not right now. Is not our first priority.
not
We
priority,
are
but yeah.
yeah, yeah. What we are working on. We if you want to integrate with Shopify, you also takes time, right?
Yeah, no, I know. Yeah. I mean,
Right.
our agency, we a few years back became a Shopify partner, and we've got a lot of e-commerce work from doing that. So if you guys can get there with them, that's gonna be great for the MRR.
Yes,
It'd be
yes,
excellent.
yes.
And
You
I'm
can
sure you
probably
will
you can
because product's
yeah,
good. So
probably you can also recommend him to us, right?
yeah. Tuhin, any possibility of creating fiction custom avatars without any videos? So not the real
Without any
people. I
fiction,
think we're
yeah,
talking about the visual, fantasy character, cartoon, fiction, like custom avatars, kind of like when you do a Midjourney prompt of making yourself more look like a werewolf or something else, and then putting that in there.
yeah, yeah. I think it definitely can is doable, right? But
Doable.
what we focus on right now, at least for like next 3 months, we focus on realistic like avatar.
Yeah, no, the realistic is the way you're going right now. Yeah,
Yeah.
Niru for Hindi language, lip syncing should improve.
Yeah, sure, sure.
Mhm.
Lip sync is never end, right? Because our technical team always collect all the bad case, and then we have the priority. We priority it, and then we will improving like every like 2 weeks. We every 2 weeks we will improve our technology, also increase our data for training. Right?
Yeah, this is Tuheen with also, if possible, can we create cartoon avatars, create children content? Yeah, this is something I know we get a lot of the questions. I mean, and as a cartoonist, I would love it because then I could just use my cartoons, put them up there. But again, right now, you're not going in this direction. This is something for
Yeah,
later.
yeah, that's true. That's true. Sorry. Yeah.
Yeah, no, it's okay. But I'm sure, hey, once it could be down the road, I could see you adding it if you get enough demand and it
Yeah.
doesn't mess up
Yeah.
the core vision. But there are a lot of mobile apps. There's so many. Someone just asked me yesterday, what can I do to do a cartoon avatar? And I'm like, you just go on your phone, and there's so many that
Yeah, that's true. That's true.
that's actually might be a more crowded space than this space you're in. So
Yeah. Yeah.
there's a lot of options, and they're they're fairly inexpensive. I mean, some are even free. So it's for fun. But that this could be. I know what he's saying for children's content. It would be nice to have a story time thing or something like that. So
That's true. That's true. I think you can go to some some tool to do it. But no Jogg, right? Jogg is for you to create the UGC avatar and for the
yeah,
UGC
yeah.
content.
Rahul, any plan we can get data with bring your own key?
Bring
Bring
your
your own
own.
key. Yeah, BYOK is a bring your own key, from OpenAI to pull in.
Yeah,
Um,
yeah, 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 yeah. Sure. If we actually we can, but because we are unlimited, right? You don't need to do this, right?
don't need
It's
it.
no
Yeah.
reason for you to use your own key, right?
Yeah. Is it unlimited on the lower tiers on AppSumo?
Oh, probably. Yeah, if you are tier one, tier two, you want to use your own key, we can open. Yeah.
That's what I think he's asking.
When
So
you
you
yeah
can add
when you
that.
run out, yeah, when you run out of your current credit, right, you can use your own key to
Oh,
create.
okay.
Yeah, yeah,
Oh, that's very fair. Okay. Derek, do avatars in the system have their own default clone voices? 11 Labs is great, but often feels fake for UGC.
yeah, yeah, yeah. So we actually if we want to do like UGC content, we will do avatar also TTS also all the like transition, right? Transition effects or the speed, right?
Yeah.
So we're working on it. Yeah, it takes us some time. Right now we are integrated with the 11's voice, but we definitely will make our own voice is more suitable for UGC
Oh,
content.
you are changing that. Yeah. And I like that you can I didn't even realize it could do it at first where I cloned myself, I made an avatar, and then you have your saved clones and you have the voices that you could throw one of the avatars from the system's voice into your custom voice. So I was
Yes.
messing around on my review video. I think I had a woman's voice for part of the clip just to see what it would sound like, how I would sync. It was very confusing, but it was
Yes.
funny.
Yeah, yeah, it's funny. The AI is like totally blacklist, unblacklist.
It's a toy. It's so enjoyable, to use it, and then obviously use it to make money and for your clients and get it out there. But you still want to see what can it do. Mabel is here. Hi, Mabel. What additional features you are introducing to compete against HeyGen?
Yeah. What we are going to launch next feature is definitely is far beyond the agent. We can use AI to generate the image and then make image to create the motion, and then the motion can make the customer avatar.
Wow.
And
Okay.
we call it like AI GC avatar, right? It's like
Yeah.
we use the technology from text to image and image to avatar video and avatar video to avatar to like make your own avatar. Yeah.
Now you got to watch out because then HeyGen's gonna see what you're doing. They're gonna try to do it. Then you got to do
Yeah,
something
yeah,
else.
yeah,
So
yeah.
it's like a
I
back
think
and forth.
yeah, but in AIGC area, we are in the same, right? We are in the same. We are in the same star, and
Yeah.
then we come up first, and then we can force the attract the more customers, right?
Do you ever network with them? Like, you're out to dinner one night, and you see the HeyGen guy, or hey, what are you doing? Do you guys ever
Yeah,
speak, or not with HeyGen, with other tools as well? Do you guys ever chat? Not giving secrets to each other, but
we don't talk with the agent, but some of their investor talk with us. Yeah.
that's nice.
I think what we did is very different with Hadrian. Hadrian is more for like the bigger B, right?
Yeah,
The bigger company.
yeah,
They are very similar with the Synthesia, right? What we
yeah,
did is our customer base is like is like a UGC creator, right? It's different. Even for the like a video style, right? It's different.
yeah.
UGC video is different with the like educational video, right? It's different.
Larry, hey Larry, is Jog powered by open source AI tools at the back end?
Yes, yes, for sure. Yeah,
For
yeah.
sure,
We
yeah.
use a lot of like the open source to build up. Yeah. Actually, what we can say is for the lip sync and our AIGC, we make it by ourselves. But the other things, we will definitely make it simple, right? We will try to use the most of the open source. We only focus on what we want to be the best, right? Like lip sync and AIGC avatar. Yeah.
Niru, at any stage will it be possible to get two avatar in one video?
Yeah, yeah. For in the future, we will definitely do it. But
Getting this
right
out,
now,
yeah.
it's not our first priority, right? It's all about the priority.
You have a roadmap on the Jogg AI website that people
Yeah,
can see and vote on? Okay,
yeah. We have the change log in our
that's
website.
good. Okay, that's great. This way we could see what's cooking. Mabel,
Yeah,
will
you
you
can
integrate with
also
Canva? Sorry.
Canva. Yes, yes. We are look we want to do it. In some Canva is very very good company. We like it, and if we can integrate with them, we're also very proud of it.
Yeah, that would be great. Men, do you
Yeah,
support
sure.
Vietnamese language? Yes.
Yes, sure.
Raul, what about your MRR customers? Where are your servers located?
Okay. What about my MR customer? What does it mean? It mean
Like
the
the monthly recurring revenue, customer subscription. Do you have the subscription based
yeah,
thing going? And then
yeah, I
the
cannot share our revenue,
no, no,
but I
yeah,
can, yeah, yeah, yeah. I can share, in on October we have like 100 like the pay customers.
yeah.
In
I
the
don't think don't share the money amount. Yeah, just I guess how
Yeah,
many
yeah, yeah, yeah.
users you have
November
there.
in last month, the November we have the 300. It like triple growth.
Oh, yeah. No, I think you're doing well. I mean, you're where you are right now in Maine with the background. I mean, you got a nice. That's your third house, probably, right? It's beautiful.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So where our service is? Our service is in US. Yeah, it's in US.
Yes. Danny Skulls. I like the ability to delete and re-upload avatars for tier 3. Only gripe would be more avatars, perhaps 15. I don't need the team seats and stuff tier 4 and above. Yeah, this is something actually I think I mentioned to your team as well. I thought it was at first that you get 10 monthly, the way it's worded on AppSumo, 10 monthly avatars, custom avatars. So I thought every month I could get another 10, but it's 10 at a time, and then you just could delete, correct? And then remove.
Yeah, yeah.
Uh,
I think there's some confused, right? The seat means it's like a seat, right? It's no like the you
yeah.
have the 10 and the next year you have
No,
20.
10,
And
yeah.
yeah, yeah. It doesn't make sense, right?
Yeah,
But
so it's 10.
definitely in our like the product page, we should remove the per month, right? This story about it.
It's a little
I don't know
confusing.
because we put the list to the consumer. They put the length by their understanding, right? They are
Yeah,
local.
but this is where trouble happens. Yeah, for you that you have to deal with it. You say, I didn't even write that.
Yeah, yeah.
But would you, like Danny
It's
said,
confused. Yeah.
would you add more? Because some people like even like myself, I don't know if I need more team seats, but I would love more avatars available. I don't know if you could change the deal,
Yeah,
but
I think
could this be an
we
add-on as
can.
well?
I think we can do this. When we design this the plan, it's hard to it's not hard to put the like the random number
Yeah,
in a plan, right? So we definitely what we can do is we put the like 3 avatar, 10 avatar, 15 avatar, right? But in the future, if people they have they have needs to buy more avatars, we
yeah.
can definitely add like add on, but the price would be very reasonable. Okay.
Okay, okay. That's good to know. Yeah, good question, Danny. That was good. Brave, does it have Flux Pro AI integration?
Yes, yes. This is our next version. You will see it. Yeah,
Yeah, yeah, Flux is very popular.
yeah,
Mohammed, when will the Jog AI offer end on AppSumo? And will Jog AI be offering LTDs on AppSumo again in the future?
yeah. In the future, I don't know, right? But what I know this time, we will finish. We will end in the end of this year. And by the way, we App Consumer, they told us we are the
I'm back.
top seller in the App Consumer.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's great. Yeah, because I know they'll always try to get you back, and sometimes the lifetime deals will come back a couple times, depending. So that's
Yeah,
good.
yeah. I think in the future, if it works, we probably we will come back to, right?
Right. Yeah. Yeah. Then sometimes they do higher limits, higher pricing the second time around or something. So the early
Yeah,
adapters get
yeah.
rewarded.
I don't know now. Yeah, I don't know. I
Yeah.
don't. Know.
Francois, what is brand kit?
Yeah, what's Blinkit? Okay, so it's like you can put your logo, your color, your brand color, your brand, your video, your image in one place, right? You can share by your team member, and you can use it in your video.
Can we create then custom our templates for using later?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
I
you can
think
go back and edit it. Yeah. Murat, is it possible to buy more seats without buying higher tier from AppSumo? So if you
yeah,
just want to buy more,
it's like what I say, right? If you a lot of people ask for this, we definitely can add on for it. But the price is definitely, if you buy 3 seats, right? It definitely is higher than the like tier 4, right? Otherwise, it's unfair for the people who buy the like tier 4, right? It's
yeah,
unfair.
you got to
Definitely,
keep it fair. It's a slippery slope. You want to be fair to people who bought, and then obviously help out the new people that are interested. But
yeah,
yeah,
that's true. If you only have like 1 or 2 seats, probably you can request, and then in the future we will probably put it as on. But you are very sure you have like 3 or 10 seats need, right? You should buy it now. It definitely will be a higher price.
yeah. No, the value is great, and what I've been telling people, especially in this space, buy it if you're going to use it. You get it. This is a great deal, great value, and I'm not
Yeah.
sales pitching here, but if you're going to use it, yes, people are scared because the space is moving so quickly, and they're like, well, it might be not good in a year or 2 years, or so that's oh, we lost you. I must have said something wrong, but I think if you're going to use the tool now, definitely buy it. That's just my opinion, or try it out at least till you get the refund period. Let's see. Can we create character in Leonardo and add character in it? I think it was Leonardo. I don't know actually. Can we create? I don't think so, but I could be wrong. Is he back? Let's see. This is when you could use an AI avatar, custom avatar. Just throw your stuff on there. See. Actually, I skipped a question. This one, will making video from URL to video be increased from 1 minute? You can, from what I've been doing, you can do a workaround on this by creating your custom avatar and then going from there to create the video. The other way, then you just do the create, which is on the homepage. That has limits up to 60 seconds. So the workaround is to just create avatar video. Let's
I don't know
see.
why. It.
There you are. I lost you for a second. So I've been talking and answering questions and hopefully not hurting the Jogg AI brand. We lost you
Okay.
for a bit.
No, no, you definitely you are like a affiliate partner, right? You are a very one of the best affiliate partner. Yeah.
Thank you. Will I kind of answered this. Are you still there?
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay, kind of frozen. Unstable connection, it says. It's basically I answered this question about making a video increase from 1 minute. So I told him there's 2 ways. One, from creating the video will go up to 60 seconds, but if you use the avatar and start from the custom avatar, you can create longer videos. Is that correct?
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Right
Okay.
now, because the URL to video we design is for like the product marketing video, right? Product marketing video. It's usually like users like saw ads. So this is why we only put the 1 minute, right? If in the future a lot of people want to make longer video from the URL to video, we will definitely increase it. Yeah.
Nice. Can we create character in Leonardo and add character in it? I think this is more of the questions about, you guys may not be doing the custom character, but if we have a character created somewhere else, can you import it and somehow make it into a
Yeah.
character?
Yeah. It's the same answer. Yeah.
Same, yeah. Raul, do you have prior investment?
Prior investment.
I guess
What?
more about, people who invested in the company early on. You said most of it is from you guys investing, correct? And I guess they want to know if
Um,
there's other
yes,
investment
most of the investments come from the team member.
team members.
But we definitely invite some the how to say the capital guy, right? The capital guy, because they know the capital finance, the capital investment. They are more familiar with the environment. So we definitely get some investment from them.
See if I think might be answering a question. Brand kit, usually combination, brand colors, font, logo, etc. So when you generate video, these will automatically apply to the video. Yes, correct, right?
Yep.
Tuheen, I also want to create videos without any avatars. Can you include Brawl's library and other assets required?
Yeah.
Any possibility?
Yeah, this is what I just say. We will add this feature very soon. Yeah.
Knob, can we train the voice with custom data? For example, if the voice model supports learning new inputs, could you teach it to recognize and pronounce specific words, phrases, or industry jargon?
Definitely,
Train
definitely.
it.
So right now we have the like an annotation function, in the script. If the some English words, right, they don't pronounce very correctly for you, you can use the annotation, right, to right, and then you can put the, what's the right pronunciation for it.
Francois, I only see vertical video on template. Can Jogg generate 16:9 video or super square video? What format and resolution are supported? It can
Yeah,
do 16:9 and square. I've done it. Correct?
yeah,
We're good.
yeah. We can
Oh.
do three of them. Yeah.
And the format and resolution are supported. What for? It's is it 1080?
Yeah, it's 1080.
Yeah.
It's the most popular one. I know a lot of people they require like higher resolution.
4K. And,
Yeah,
yeah.
4K. As long as more people request it, we will definitely.
Okay. Yeah, I know there's a lot of people who are like, they want 4K, they want, the highest. I wouldn't mind it. I don't do much of anything with the 4K, so
Yeah.
not yet. Image to video. I like how Runway does it. Hope we can get that in Jogg.
Image to video. I like the wrong way to do it. Hope we can get that in job. Yeah, yeah. We will do it, right? Yeah, this is what I say. I think the big feature we will launch next like now the end of the December is this
Yeah.
feature.
Yeah, yeah. Do you have any tutorials for us? Like on a YouTube channel, I guess.
Yeah, we have a YouTube channel. We also have the text one in our website. Yeah, you can. Well, let me add one more thing. If you cannot find a guideline, you can just talk with the live chat support, and they will provide for you.
A tutorial. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, you have a lot of stuff on the dashboard of the website if you ever need to learn how to do anything or samples.
Yeah.
Abhi, is there a way to let client create instant avatar without logging into one of the team accounts? To have a client go in there?
Okay. I think it's without login. I think it's no easy, right? So
I'd be
I don't think
nervous.
so.
I
Yeah,
would
yeah,
be
yeah.
nervous. I feel like they would break something or use my avatar and do something
Yeah,
with
yeah.
it.
So you should ask them to do it. You can provide a computer for it. Otherwise, we don't have the authorization. It's illegal for us. We don't want to do it, right?
Yeah, yeah. Medro, what is Jogg AI strategy now in the future to be different and still be able to survive, even surpass, where now the same features have appeared, such as TikTok, Symphony, free, and CapCut, commerce, paid?
Yeah, we are very different, right? We focus on the UGC avatar, and they are more focused on like the e-commerce content, e-commerce, and then the small video, like they like 9:30, right? 9:16 aspect ratio. They only works for the TikTok. What we are doing, we not only make for the TikTok, we also make it for Google Ads, Facebook Ads, social media posts. It's different, right?
TikTok commerce using avatar for review looks very good. Thanks,
Take a
Mabel.
look. TikTok cameras
Yeah,
using avatar for review.
yeah, I
This
guess
is
Mabel's been playing that. It looks good.
yeah.
Asif would like to see product demo. You did a demo already in Ken Moo's group, I believe, right?
Yeah,
You did
yeah. Yeah,
Yes.
we have a lot of demos. So actually, we talk with the Joe, before the webinar. Actually, if you want to see the demo, you can just go to our YouTube channel. You can see it, right?
Or you could even, yeah, the demo's on your YouTube, right? And Ken Moo SaaS Lifetime Deals on Facebook.
Yeah.
That's a long group name. I got to talk to Ken. I mean, I know what he's doing. He's optimizing for software, lifetime deals, AppSumo, LTD, Kenmu. But that is the group. Kenmu shout out, because thanks, Ken. He's also been heavily involved with Jogg AI and promoting it.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
make sure people go through.
Things you can. In the beginning, I don't want to join the LTD program because most of people they say they will reduce our like regular revenue, but
Yeah.
suggest us to do it. And this is I also mentioned in our like first email or first or second email, right? First or second like founder email. Yeah,
Yeah. No,
he is a very good guy.
Ken's a good guy. I mean, we chat all the time. He still won't give me his home phone number. I want to call him and bug him, but no, no, he doesn't want that. Now, where I hate when you switch from one thing. Here we go.
Mhm.
Faz. Wow, excited for interactivity features. Having multiple avatars interacting with each other would be great. Yeah, that could be a lot of fun.
Yes, yes.
That could be a
It
lot
would
of
be
fun.
like entertainment, right? Entertainment feature.
Oh, forget it. My wife is already yelling at me. What do you have the computer for? I'll be doing this on the weekend.
Yeah, yeah.
Man, how about limit of our scripts? The limits for the scripts.
Actually, we don't limit the script. We only limit the video you generate.
Niru, any plan to bring effects, color like CapCut?
Yes, yes, we are working on it. As long as as long as it can make better UGC content, we will do it.
Okay. Let's see. We've gone over an hour. You still have a little more time to answer some questions?
Yeah, sure, sure.
Okay.
It's okay for now. Now it's too late for us to work.
So it works. So it's a party now. Yeah. You're stuck. Abhi. Like we share a URL and the client simply records the video. Oh, I think that's with giving client access, maybe. Can we share a URL and then the client simply records the video?
Yes, I think we can do it. Yeah.
Yeah, I guess it's something they could add to the change log or the roadmap or contact you, or even in Discord, you have a section, right, with like
Yeah.
features and stuff like
I,
that.
I think for MB, right, you can just contact with our like enterprise plan, or you can talk with our live chat support, and then we can see how to implement this, right?
Yeah. Mabel, can we do full body avatar with full body movements? Well, this is what we were talking about before, where I would step further back, like here. Usually, this is ideal,
Mm-hmm.
for that. But I guess they want, what if we do full body, with your feet and everything? Is that possible, or is that too much?
No, no, no. It definitely works. You can just give it a try. Yeah. I think the problem if you like do the lip sync, right? The only problem is probably you have the, like big mouth or longer head. It's no if you want to do the full body, it's okay.
Yeah, yeah. I think going back, also there was one other issue where I was going further back, and I think the bubble option was cutting off the top of the circle because it couldn't figure out, where my face was.
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm.
So that's something you got to play around with it. You got to test, and then of course if you don't like it, you delete it and do it over.
Yeah, yeah. If you are not satisfied with it, you can redo it. And if you after you like multiple time try out, it doesn't work. You can contact with us, right? We will tell you how it works. Yeah.
Okay. Tuheen, does any content created in Jog can be flagged as a copyright strike?
Yes, yes. We everything is it's like copyright free.
Copyright free. Yes, the people are worried, like they build up their YouTube channel, they're setting up another one, and then all of a sudden they put something in there. But I mean, it's all products that is like Amazon, everything else. You just have to make sure, I guess, if you're using content that you don't have like
Yeah.
artwork,
Well,
maybe
what
artwork or photography, that's where it could be tricky for copyright,
Yeah,
correct?
everything you use from the Jogg, right? It's like avatar or like the image or video or stock. It definitely is copyright free. But if the image or something like product photo, you definitely you should make sure it's also copyright free, right? It's not our responsibility to check this. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, you definitely have to be careful. I mean, I've had a lot of experience with when I do oil paintings, using someone's photo as a reference in a painting. The photographer will call me and say, "Hey, I know you're using my image, but," and another thing was I like that you have on for making the avatars, you have to do a verification video right after to make sure it's you. That's you. You give consent. But is it possible? I know you guys you're doing it the right way, but some of the products will allow you to make a custom avatar of someone else. And you're not doing that. You're just kind of keeping it you
Yeah.
recording your voice because you don't want to make anyone else say something that they wouldn't say. So
Right,
that's why
right.
you that's why you put that in there as a safeguard.
Yeah, this is for the long term, right? If
Yeah.
you do something like this, it's very easy. People, police will find you or something like. Yeah,
Yeah. Yeah, there's still options out there that allow it, and I think there's gonna be a lot of lawsuits in the future, you know?
yeah, yeah, yeah. It's not worth it. Actually, it's not worth it. If you want to build a long term company, it's not worth it. Yeah.
Yeah. Christopher, is there any chance to integrate
Yes.
Jog with stock photo sites? Yep.
Yeah, like I said before, we already doing it.
Any plan we could take script directly from Claude?
Yes.
Yeah, you could
Of,
copy and paste it from anywhere. You could
yeah,
type
yeah,
your
yeah.
own script. You could copy and paste it in the avatar setup.
Yeah.
Abel, one thing the current technology I don't like is that the eyes look odd in Avatar.
Yeah, it's very case by case, right? Some
Mhm.
people, some avatar perform well in eyes, but better in hand. So it's case by case. When you do it, if you are not satisfied with the result, just talk with us, and then we will tell you, this is the bug, or you do something wrong or anything. Yeah.
Or you just delete it, try again. Because like I said, I tested dozens in the first week, and I noticed I speak with my hands a lot anyway. So in the recordings, I was making more movements like this with my hands,
Right.
and I kept going
Right. Right.
like this, and then I kept opening my eyes or smiling awkwardly. I think one I stuck my tongue out just for fun, and it was a mess. And then I learned next time maybe they say to take a
Right.
break after each sentence when you're doing the script.
That's true.
Take a
That's true.
break, go. You gotta get timing.
Yeah, that's true. So this is like new technology, right? So you need to learn the limit of the technology, right? It doesn't do anything, right? But you need to know the limit and then use the right way to how to make use of it. Yeah.
Yeah. Required Indian languages, Telugu, Malayalam,
Yeah,
required in
I think this
avatars
is
section.
two details, right? So you can take it with like live chat support. We will add the request language within like 1 or 2 weeks, 1 or 2 days.
Sanjay, can I have Indian accent to my clone voice video? It's very weird to listen to myself in US accent.
Yes, yes. It's like what I say, right? Because now the voice clone model is based on like US accent, because most of our customers are from the US. So this is why we use like US model, right? But if you have this request, you can talk with us. We can like switch like model for you, or we can have the more option for you to choose the right model, for yourself. Yeah.
Mabel, yeah, good question. We covered this a little bit earlier. What's your take with so many AI competitors?
Oh, you mean how we compete with them and how
What's your
we
take?
grow?
Like, what's your take? I guess your thoughts on the field, on the AI landscape in your space, maybe particularly. Uh,
Yeah, yeah.
are
So,
you
so, so
excited about it? Do you get motivated by these other companies? You say, "Oh, I like what they're doing. I like what they're doing," or do you feel like it's heading in the right direction for majority
yes,
of?
yes. I also I like what I say. I work in AI area for 10 years, right? The AI is like very people. generate the AI make all the people knows AI. Before we do AI, very less people know the AI. They don't believe it, right? But this time is very different. You know, they can write, like GPT can write something very intelligent, right? Very smart, right? So it's like a human. And you know what we are doing right now, we find a very I think we find a very how to say, it's a very niche area like UGC avatar, right? And in this
Mhm.
area we can do like AI image, we can do AI video, and we can make the avatar from this AI video, right? And we can provide a tool like AI avatar tool, you know, to make more people can create their own avatar very fast. I think it's very good for us, and as the like GPT or Mid Journey or any like AI tool, they grow faster. We will grow also fast, right? The technology is improving every day, and our foundation, right? The how people to generate AI image and then make an image become the avatar. We become we we stand up of them.
At least please think of offering 2 seats for tier 3.
Yeah. Sorry. So it's like what I
Yes.
say.
Yeah.
Yeah, we need to can be the consistent with the our regular regular plan. We cannot do it. Sorry.
Tuheen, are you working on any products other than this? Is this your focus product?
Yeah, right now I only do this project. My previous AI education company, I already sold it out.
Yeah, because I people get worried, especially LTD community, where they create a great product, and then all of a sudden, a year or 2 years down the road, they jump to something totally different, put the focus on that, and then this one disappears. So I guess some people get nervous.
Yeah,
Nothing's
yeah.
guaranteed, but
This is
you see
guaranteed. Yeah.
you seem to be very focused on this. So
Yeah, I think this is has very good feature, and we have very bright like vision on it. Yeah.
yeah, Rabin, I'm not worried about him not knowing, but social noise can disrupt. This is what he was saying about before his earlier question about founder focus, and be careful with the noise
Yes.
sometimes.
Thank
Because
you. Thank you.
I mean, me too included. I'll email you one day like, hey, what about this? And you're gonna be like, Joe, stop it. That's too crazy. We're not doing that.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Does Jog AI support some FX effect now? Like
What
effects?
is effect? I don't know
X.
what is
It
effect.
has some, I mean, the transition, but I thinking maybe like, fire, lightning
Oh
effects,
yeah,
or maybe crazy stuff. I'm
yeah.
guessing.
Yeah. This the transition or the more effect. If we shoot for the UGC content, we will definitely add it. This is our scope.
Mabel, currently the limitations of Avatar is we can only do short scenes, else it's too obvious it is AI generated. I'm not
The
sure.
limitation is we can do shows or yeah, I don't think so, right? So even it's AI generated avatar, you are not only it's not only for like short things, you can also for the long things, right? Our technology is also improved. Yeah.
Yeah, I think that's what we were discussing before, where some people are saying, "Oh, it's only 60 seconds," but that's only through the create with the link. But if you go through the avatar process, you can add the script, break it up in the editor, and make it longer scenes. And another recommendation is to not just use the avatar for the entire thing. And I think maybe that's what Mabel's thinking about as well, where if you're just using the avatar and you don't break it up with some product footage, service images, it just the person's just there talking. Ideally, it would be good to have it broken up a little more, split it up, distract the eye, and the avatar not being the only focus right now. Um, oh, lost Anbang again. I said something wrong. Uh-oh. Also, please add some cool movements and motion effects. There are some motion effects, Tuheen, in the avatar. I played around where you could have someone enter in stage left, stage right, have them drop down from the top. There's some animation things in there. I'm sure Anbang will comment more. Hey, he's back. I was just saying there are some cool motion movements already, right? An animation in Jogg. But I guess
I
you
think
want more.
if you have something you want to add like a movement or like a motion effect, you can definitely talk to us. We are the startup company. We are very we are willing to hear from you. So we definitely will do it. Yeah. And then you can also provide some like competitor, what competitor they do very good
Yeah.
in effects, you provide for us, and then we can if it's in our like folks, we will definitely will add it. Yeah.
Junkai, are there any plans to integrate more open source TTS? For example, F5 TTS is the closest I have heard to replicating a Taiwanese accent.
Yes, sure, of course. Yeah.
Plans to integrate that. Francois, can it be used in French for French people? I told you there was a French question coming from Francois. Can the French
Yes,
use this? Is it allowed?
yes, allow. Yeah. It's global. It's like a global AI tool. You can use it in anywhere, also for any people. Yeah.
And we export video as in format like 1.1 or 916.
Yeah, sure.
Yes. Yep. Danny, can we integrate multiple avatars in one video? Oh, here's the multiple avatar question. You're getting that a lot. If I have 3 avatars of myself, for example, can I use them all in one video for different outfits, shots, etc.? Is that
Okay.
coming? The
Yes.
multiple
Yes.
avatar.
I think this is a very good feature. We will definitely add it. But probably no in this month. It's probably in next year, in the beginning of next year.
Oh, maybe possibly a Q1 2025?
Yes.
Possibly. Oh, that's good. Yeah, because we see this question in today's session. Seems like it's a big request. Does Jogg support the Bengali
Yes.
language?
Yes. We have Bengali. Yeah.
Oh, TC KZ says, oh my God. Oh, now we're getting to the giveaway. Yeah. Yes, please giveaway.
Oh
Yes,
yeah.
giveaway. We're gonna do after Anbang, and we'll discuss and we'll round up everything and give away that stuff. Any plan that we could copy style from any video, like an ad reference video?
Yeah. Some people request for this feature. I think it's all it's in like discussion. I'm not sure right now. Probably we can in after 1 or 2 weeks, because right now we have very core feature we need to focus on. And we need to first finish our like core feature like AI GC avatar.
Yeah.
You will
Yeah.
like it. I will definitely, everyone will like it. Yeah.
Misha, how long will Jogg stay alive with AppSumo? You said maybe another month, right? Maybe by Christmas, end of the year.
Yeah, I think it definitely is in after the end of the December, but I'm not sure how long we will stay in January. I think I think mostly would be like in the beginning of January. Yeah.
And that is for anybody not knowing, go to appsumo.com to check out Jogg and just type Jogg in the search, or you could do appsumo.com/Jogg, or it might be Jogg AI. You might be listed that way.
Yeah.
Mabel, how good is Avatar doing in different facial expressions? So far, I think using hugging face gives better emotional expressions.
Yes. We also definitely working on like the face expression, right, and then the hand movement, right. So this is we definitely use the most advantage of the avatar technology.
It's doing well, Danny says. TikTok shop links. Tuhin also, can we just bulk recreate already created videos in different language? I haven't
Yeah,
I
you
haven't
can
I
do.
haven't tested the bulk actually feature yet.
Yeah, we have the book create.
Yeah, so you can do that. You can already just set it up. What are the top 3 upcoming features?
Okay. The first one is the AI GC avatar, right? You can, like what I say, you can use AI to generate the image, and then you can use the image to generate different motion, and then use this motion to customize your avatar. This is, I think, the most important one is this one, and also we will also like launch the application feature, like we said before, right? Idea to video. You enter your a story, or you provide a blog, a blog. You can turn the blog into a video, and we will do the auto below, right?
Man, do you have planned for more a natural voice? I think this is wonderful.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Definitely, this is the most important thing we are working on. Right now, we try to use the 11 labs, but even labs TTS, right?
Yeah.
But we will definitely improve the voice quality for our case.
And Mabel, can we use our own audio for the avatar?
Yeah,
And Jog does the lip sync. Yep.
yeah.
Yeah,
We
you could
do.
upload your own. Yep.
Yeah, we have it right now.
One thing that would be great for creators if we could upload the video file of a reel or TikTok and have high use our footage from the
What?
link like it does with photos.
What? Sorry, I don't understand.
Yeah.
How, you can upload a video file.
Yeah, you could upload a video file from TikTok, say, and then have use the footage from link like it does
Footage.
with
Oh,
photos.
like it does for
You
photo.
can you upload a video? I know I uploaded images. Can you upload a
Yeah,
video for background?
yeah. We can also
Good.
upload the video. Yeah,
Yeah, so you can. Yeah. I haven't put any video in. I've just been using images currently.
yeah. We also support a video.
Pedro, you once said that you have created a very good tool and it has been acquired. What is that tool? Can you share the name of the tool or you're not able to?
Yeah. It's like AI education tool. The name is like Learning Dojo.
Landing Dojo? Learning
Yeah,
Dojo?
Learning Dojo.
That's a
Learning
good
Dojo.
name.
Yeah.
That's a good name. Niru, Jogg AI can work best in beauty industry, especially in India. I tried videos. Lip syncing needs to improve. Yeah, this is something that many are saying about improving the lip syncing, which is the focus of what you've been working at improving. Correct.
Great. Yeah. Thanks.
Arnab, almost all of the questions were answered by your team. Bravo. Yeah,
Mhm.
you guys have really going through everything. I'm having a hard time finding your profile. I can only find your LinkedIn. There you have been part of Apple and Google. Yep. Let's see. Could you please explain this as it related to your trust level? I think Anbang actually discussed it beginning in the session. Anyone coming late, you can watch the replay. But is there anything else you want to add to that?
Yeah. So actually, how to say it? Because my previous project, my previous company is in China.
Yeah.
So at the time, I use the social media in China, right? So I like 4 or 5 years don't use the Facebook, don't use the it's abundant. It's abundant in China. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
So this is why I don't have too many posts in FB in LinkedIn, right? Yeah.
Yeah,
So
social media. Yeah. No wonder you didn't accept my Facebook friend request. I was so hurt. No, that I realized you're not on Facebook. You're not on Facebook. So don't worry. I'm
hey,
kidding. I'm kidding.
I don't get used to use it actually. In US I use it a lot, but after that
Not he. Yeah.
when I
Well, look,
yeah when I yeah
you. First of all, there's a bonus because this is one of my pet peeves, and I'm sure many users or some say, "Oh, I don't really care what the founder, a picture of him or his name or background. If the product's good, the product's good." No, I don't like that. I like to see who is this person, what's their name, and you have done that so far. Everywhere I see responding to questions or creating Facebook posts, in groups and stuff like that, you're very transparent with this. So that's been pretty great.
yeah. Like what I say, the trust it takes time.
It definitely does. Yeah.
Yeah.
Medro, you said that you offer Jog AI with lifetime deal license only on AppSumo, but I found your lifetime deal offer on Deal Fuel. Can you explain this?
Yeah.
Are you on Deal Fuel? Yeah.
So I never say we only we only launch on the AppSumo. But what I say is before the deal field, I don't know what is the LTD, right? When they talk with us, I saw it just a channel, right?
Yeah.
Like a
Yeah. Yeah.
marketing channel. I don't even know like what is a lifetime, right? I don't know about this concept. So at the time we go there and then we sell for like only 1 week. But the deal field is most for the like Indian, but our price is a little bit higher. So we
Yeah.
don't performance very well. So we just go, we just go down very fast just for just one
Mm.
week lunch. So actually, I don't really remember the deal field. The deal field is like at the time we only treat as a marketing channel.
Marketing channel. And you, like you said earlier, lifetime deals were kind of more new to you, right? Where you were
Yeah,
like,
it was
what is this?
new to me.
I think Ken Moo probably convinced you, yeah, you should try to do a lifetime deal. It could help you
Yeah,
get
I
more
don't know the
visibility.
lifetime. What's his lifetime actually?
Yeah, I was like, what is this lifetime? And whose lifetime is it? Is it let's
But
see.
when I know the lifetime and I know the like consumer, right? And I see a bigger community in here. It's very very smart, right? For the SaaS, like SaaS e-commerce, platform. It's very smart, smart,
Yeah.
smart, smart.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Medro with another question. I see your company was only established in 2024 in Singapore. Can you explain this so we don't doubt your company?
It takes time. What I can say, I already told.
Yeah.
Some people doesn't trust it. I think it's okay. It depends on how you think, right? If you really need the product, right? It's some related to the the team, to founder. But most important is the product fit your need, right? This is the most
Yes.
important thing, right?
Yeah.
And for the people and our company, the relation, the trust, it takes time, right?
Yeah.
It doesn't
No,
about what I.
building trust takes time. And I know you worked at Google, so Google bases a lot of things off of trust and rewards websites to rank in Google with the higher trust, which takes time. There's sometimes these newer websites that come out, they don't rank well because there's no trust there. There's no authority. So yeah,
Yeah,
that you get a
yeah,
good value when you're a younger company, you get a good deal, and nothing's guaranteed. But as an early investor, which is kind of what it is, early adapter, you get a good deal, use the tool right away. And in the future, your goal is that you guys are on a monthly subscription plan that's very high, and people who stuck with you, stuck it out,
yeah.
they got
That's true.
value.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
it's
As time goes, we will launch more like new feature, right? And then after like half a year or 1 year, we are stay here, and
yeah,
people will trust you more, right? So
yeah.
it's nothing about what I say right now, right?
Yeah. Talk. Everybody, says everything, and you're saying all the right things. But we've seen, especially LTD community knows, we've seen a lot of tools. Heavy hearts, email, sorry, and we don't. I hope the best for you because you seem like a great guy. Your team has been really nice to me personally, and I know with other people in the community. And I'm not trying to be a salesman. I'm just saying if you think you can use this tool right away now, try it. But if you're
Yeah,
just gonna get it and it's a shiny object, oh, this is so cool. Yeah, it's cool, but make sure you use it because then you'll get your
yeah,
return on investment right away.
yeah,
Rather than put it on a shelf. This is what happens. The LTD community, they put it on a shelf, they don't touch it for 2 years, and then
yeah.
something happens, and then they get mad, and then they all suddenly are like, "Hey, what happened to this?" And you could be like, "You didn't even freaking use it. You would have already gotten your return on investment, a while ago." So, but I understand it because I'm part of the community. I get mad too, and that's it's tricky.
Yeah, that's true. That's true. I think the most important is you need to pick up something you need, right? So this is
Yeah,
most
yeah.
important. Yeah,
Hey, look, I'm guilty of this too, where I buy something and I find a use case for it, and that's not always a good strategy. You want to do videos right now. You want to have the custom avatars. You want to create a TikTok channel, YouTube channel. Then this could fit your case. So,
yeah, that's true.
I do not do ecom or TikTok video sales letters. Are we forced right now to start every jog with a web store URL? Can you talk more about this? Yeah, we kind of discussed this earlier. I don't know if you
Mhm.
want to add anything to that.
Let me see. I don't do the e-commerce, more TikTok to videos. Okay. We forced right now to start every
You
Jog
don't need to
is
use basically. We don't need to use a web store. Like I've been doing a lot with just regular articles, service pages,
right,
reinforcements.
and you can also upload your product image, right? You don't need to
Yeah,
use the it's no requirement for you to use the URL. Yeah.
yeah, you could add your own script. You can tell jokes on it. You could what I've been doing is I've been responding to my buddy Casey Wong on Facebook with because he's been busting Jog AI's chops lately. Everybody's in the Kenmu community. So now what I do is I use Jog AI to respond to him on social media. Just that's just for fun. I'm not making money at that. So maybe I
Yeah.
should stop doing that because it's just fun though.
Yeah, that's true. That's true. So even we don't meet your needs now, right? You can tell us your your use case.
Yeah,
We
yeah.
will add it. Yeah, because we are focused on like UGC avatar, and then what you can make, what you can use. We definitely will build it. Yeah.
Brave, can I import a shop link and Jog AI will export for me and adds video? Sorry for my question, but this is very high demand. Yes.
Yeah, yeah. We definitely support like Shopee. Yeah.
Yeah, you have, yeah. Okay, shop like, yeah, because I was thinking Shopify. I know I can do that. So
Shopee or Shopify. Okay.
in Dirtbreed, when we add custom avatar, it takes longer time to proceed. Sometimes not. The background removal feature I remember was a problem. It was taking long, like 24 hours. That was weeks ago. I don't know. Have you noticed the custom
It's a bug.
avatar
If
speeds?
yeah, if you wait for 24 hours, it definitely it's a bug. Usually it takes less than like half an hour. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Dinesh, can we get the avatars tailor made for podcasts?
Can we get an avatar? Yeah, yes, yes.
Are you only reading comments from YouTube? No, because you're on Facebook. I'm seeing Facebook and YouTube. Actually, there's not many YouTube here. Can you provide Amazon link and then Jog can come out with the video? You can check TikTok commerce. They do very well, just that they are expensive. Yeah, they are expensive. But yeah, you could do all that. So obviously, I think
Yeah.
Mabel's already doing that. Mobile app question. Any plan to come in mobile app?
Yes, we will launch the mobile app it's in January. In
Oh,
January.
that's great. Yeah, I've been testing Captions mobile app. It's very nice, but can get a little pricey. Uh,
Yeah.
Gable,
No, I think it will be the same price, and then we will very focus on like AIGC avatar.
in Asian context, please try to do more for shop. Okay, shop.
Sure, sure. Yeah.
Will support French. Text screen game
Yes.
over. That's
Yes.
that's probably talking about Francois. Medro, are you planning a feature to create a video dialogue or podcast that features two avatars characters? So this is a two avatars thing going again. Chatting with alternate avatars highlighted in the video because I see this kind of marketing model looks more natural. So having
Yeah.
the two avatars, you're working on that,
Yeah.
and it generate videos in bulk. Yep, we could do bulk, right?
Yes, we can do it, right? We launched this feature already.
Just when there is a presentation, my internet fails. That happens. Who's your main contender in the current market? Is it HeyGen?
Contender is being like competitor.
Yeah, competitor, your main competitor.
I don't think so. I don't think so. So I think Hygiene is do the like what I say is do like
Yeah,
big company. What we do is like UGC content. I think right now is a lot of company is trying in this area. I think we are in a almost all stars, and then we are I think we are top top one or two. Yeah.
Edvar, it'll be an app sumo, he said, maybe another month, right?
Yeah. Another
In
month.
Dirtbreed, can we give sample videos to behave in such a way and then the new video created as per sample video given, it will really helpful and appreciated. So can you give it new sample videos?
New
To behave?
simple. Can we give simple video to behavior in this way? Okay, so like what I say, we will do this like you can create a video from a simple video, right? But
Yeah,
it takes time for us to
takes time to
implement.
fit. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Clevin, any plan to improve the pro editor? Let us assign different avatar for different section of
Yes,
the script.
we are
Yeah,
working on it.
the editor I was having a little more trouble with getting used to. You're working on that as well.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Yeah, I was so focused on the custom avatar. The editor's nice. It just I have to like. It was a whole nother thing to learn. You got a lot of things under the hood on Jog, so
Right.
definitely could spend weeks playing around with it. Yeah, multiple avatars would be great. Any
Yeah, yeah. We're
plans? We
working.
could create subtitles.
Yes,
Yeah, it
yeah.
has.
We already have it. Yeah.
Yeah, already have it. What file formats, input and output does Jog support? What file?
What do you mean? I don't quite understand. Yeah.
Importing file formats, I guess for
Image,
images, PNG,
video.
JPEG,
Uh-huh.
and
Yeah.
then video, what MP3 you could put in, or a
Yeah. MP4, right?
MP4,
MP4.
MP4, MP3, yeah, MP4.
And then we can output. I think we also support like transparent background, like web PM.
Yeah, Jog will be placed in the next 5 years in the view of rapid changing AI technology. You kind of answered this before. Where do you see yourself? I guess you're saying in the next 5 years.
We will be like AI UGC avatar, the top one. I think
The top one.
we are M, yeah, we are M for top one AI UGC avatar.
Don't forget us all when you're, famous. We're all, everybody here. Don't forget us
Yeah,
all.
sure, sure, sure. Yeah.
Can Jog do
You
lip
know,
sync of
all of
videos?
you are like investor, right?
Yeah, I'm kidding. Yeah, lip sync of videos, multiple characters in one. This is another one. I guess we're catching up to questions early on. Not yet, but you're saying that could be coming next year, maybe.
Yeah,
Lip sync
we
of
are working
videos.
on it. We are working on it. Like in each scene you have the different avatar, and also in one scene you have the two avatar. We also working on it. Yeah.
Phil, Edward, is there a way to use some kind of motion brush in the future to change the face position or movement? Can we
Yeah, I think it's as long as the technology is improving, we will definitely adapt this. Yeah.
Derpy, can we use these in TikTok shops directly?
Yes,
Yes, yes, yes. Can I use Jog AI with my fonts? Well, Jog has a
yes.
bunch of fonts already. Can
You
you
can
add custom fonts?
yeah, you can upload your files in a brain key and then use it.
Is there a plan to add dubbing and face swap?
Yes, this is in our under our plan. This is the ability of our avatar, so we definitely will do it.
Marketers, is it possible to create templates, actor voice, and design predefined, and then send sheet with content, each row a video, each column a scene? There was a tool that I had this, loved it.
It's no
Wonder
video called what?
if you can
Oh,
create
I see.
templates and then export.
I know. The other way to do like a batch mode, right?
Yeah, batch mode.
Yeah, I think so. But you can also do it by yourself, right? You can use the API and then integrate with the Zapier, and then you can do it by yourself too. Yeah.
See if can we upload our own fonts? Does it support Google Fonts?
Yes.
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 And dub video. Any plan we could dub video and into other languages like synchronization and lip syncing accordingly?
Yes.
Phil, can we add filters or effects in the future? So you're getting a lot of filter effects. I guess people want more effects in the
Yes. Of
future.
course. Yeah. Of course.
Murat, our white label and custom domain will be possible in future.
I don't think so. We don't want to do like a white label. Yeah.
Yeah. Derek, how did the name Jog come to before this business? Yeah, jog. Yeah.
Yeah.
Are we
Yeah.
called joggers? The users. I say, are we joggers? We go jogging. How did you come up
Yeah.
with
Yeah.
this name?
Yeah, yeah. Jog means like jogger, right? We want to jog is more like how to say the sports, right? The sports, and when I come out of jog, it's very easy to pronounce. And then the first thing is easy to pronounce. The second one is like you can do very fast, right? AI is the like the you can help you become more effective, right? Makes things easier. That's what we. But the jog is is how to say, you can do anything in AI generated, right? It's no like editor or any like creative, right? It's all about, it's nothing to do, nothing attach. You can use it for any software. So, and then easy to pronounce, and we want to use it because we are not only to only do like video, right? We will do, different, different tools. Yeah.
Or knob. If delete one avatar, I gain my avatar back, right? Yep, right. You delete one, you can replace it.
Yes.
Public roadmap. Yeah, you said you have the change log on the website.
Yes, the roadmap have most of our plan, but some, some key plan or something we don't want to let like committee know is no there. But most of them, are there. Yeah.
See, if you train your AI or using raw LLMs from
Of
Claude,
course.
OpenAI, etc.
Yeah, of course. Yeah.
Arnab, are you planning to expand Jogg AI's feature or capabilities in the near future? Could you share what's on the roadmap? That's on the changelog on the Jogg AI website.
Yeah.
On what's going on there. Murat, will white label and custom domain be possible in future?
I think it's a repeat question, right?
Yeah,
It's a repeat.
yeah. So no. AI GC avatar looks great. Looking forward. Is there a way to sync the movements with voice in the future? I mean, the movement does
Yeah.
sync.
Yeah, we are working on it, right? It depends on, the technology, how they grows,
Let's see. I think, do we answer this? Will there be a chance to add webhooks for API? Like, oh yeah, Straiko is very popular. A custom webhook.
一下 It'd be a chance to add. Yep, definitely, yeah.
Someone saying hi.
Yeah, hello.
Will you have a custom GPT?
What do you mean custom?
I don't
Oh,
know
you
if they
mean,
want to like make a custom GPT from. I don't know if you could do that. That would be.
yeah, but we definitely, train some data on top of GPT, right? If this is what you mean, I don't know what do you mean the custom.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I'm not sure. That's a whole nother world. Asif, what features are you prioritizing? The lip syncing you're prioritizing, and
Yeah,
what else?
the lip thinking and UGC avatar, and the application and use case for UGC avatar, right? This is one thing. This is our basic technical like capability. But we also will add like AI GC avatar, right? This is I speak a lot, and you can this one will break a lot of like creators creative. They can use the AI to generate the avatar they want. Just use the prompt.
Did we prioritizing Derek? This all falls apart without MRR. What's your marketing strategy to grow your
Yeah,
MRR?
yeah, we definitely have a
That's important. Yeah,
very,
the LTD doesn't last forever.
yeah. So we do the SEO, right? We do the KOL. We also do SEM, and we also have like affiliate marketing. Yeah.
And we get monthly add-on for more seats and more avatars. Yeah, I think we answered this earlier.
Yeah.
Get
Yeah, I
that.
think as if a lot of people request it, we will definitely do it. Yeah.
Pedro, I see on your website big companies have used Jogg, such as L'Oreal, Asus, Pepsi, Sony, Panasonic. Yeah, I got a lot there. Could you please elaborate on this? How Jogg has been used by these big companies, but it was only established in 2024.
Oh yeah, yeah. We through like PLG. They are marketing department use it, right? And when they contact with us, they will tell us, where are they from, and I don't think it's the whole company use it. It's like
Yeah,
small
parts
team
of
of
it,
the marketing, right? Yeah.
team members. Can we use Jogg AI in commercial purpose? Yeah, for
Yeah.
commercially.
Yeah.
Asif, what measures are you taking to keep the product running? It's very concerning issue lately. Yeah, Asif, because we were talking about this earlier. Everyone's worried about every product, and especially every AI product. So, I mean, Are you taking any measures that could help, ease
Yeah, yeah.
people's minds?
I think very important is about the growth speed, right? If you a lot of people they like for us right now every month is triple growth. I think it's definitely we find our PMF, right? And then when I'm talking about UGC avatar, I think most of people know how benefit for the UGC avatar, right? So um, I don't know how to say. It's like it's a feeling, right? It's an intuition.
Yeah, yeah,
I know. I
yeah.
totally know. I find a PMF, and I want to invest a lot in the next year. The same. Yeah.
Have the window open. Let's see. Are users allowed to create avatars of popular personalities? That's where you can't because of you need to verify it's you, correct? You can't just can we just put an avatar of someone else and no.
Yeah. If you use the like custom avatar, you should definitely you should get the authorization. And but if you use AIGC, I think we will allow you to do it. Yeah.
Let's see. Do you have any other tools or only Jog AI? You've mentioned this in the past that you had previous
Yeah, but the
ones.
previous company is no like tool, right? It's like the education platform. It's no a tool.
Yeah. We're almost
It's
at
no AI tool. Yeah, it's like we build like a teacher and the children, right? The platform, right? It's like online education platform.
interpret any plan we can add heat maps on videos and to see from where traffic is coming. Oh, he wants heat maps. Statistics, I guess, besides just added the heat maps to it.
Yeah, yeah. So actually, we are integrate with some popular like social media, and then they will send back the data, right? The traffic, how each video performance, they will send this data back.
We create custom templates in Jog and reuse them for future ad generation. Yes,
Sure. Yeah.
Faz. We need to get Ken Moo to create a course for this product. Yes,
Yes.
Ken.
Yes, definitely.
Let's get Ken on that. Ken's got another course out right now, another something with the AI that definitely
Okay.
people should check out. So
He's very active
very
in,
active, and I think
right.
he's got two little kids also as well. So he's
Yeah.
busy.
Yeah, he's very
Aaron.
active in like LTD community.
Oh, he's Ken's group, the Ken Moo group on Facebook. Check that out. That's probably I think the most active group, and maybe with the most people in it. But not just that; it's just active. So you see a lot of people in the comments that are in the group,
Yeah.
and yeah, he does a great job. Aaron, will tier 1 and 2 receive future creator plan updates?
Yeah, tier one and tier two, we have received all the starter plan updates, no creator, right? The difference is starter is no creator. Yeah.
Or not? Am I allowed to request the addition of specific templates by providing a link to the template?
Allow to request the additional, uh, how to request the additional space. What does it mean by providing a link to a template?
I'm not sure. Maybe he already has a template. I guess reach out to just to support, right? On the chat, go on the
Yeah,
website or email you or Discord. The team
yeah.
could probably work with what his use case is and exactly what he's trying to do.
Mhm.
Yeah, can't guess. So, yep, multiple avatars. Can I disable the avatar voice over completely?
Disable avatar. Yes,
Just no
yes.
voiceover. Yeah.
Yeah, turn it
Oh,
off. Turn it off. Turn it off. Yeah.
Sam is tempted. I'm very tempted to buy. Help me win. Yeah, we've been almost 2 hours, so I'm trying to go through these questions quicker. Google Notebook, very popular lately, does great podcast voices. Wish we can use the voice and put the two voices from Google in Jog with two characters talking.
Sure. I think we can do it. It'll be very fun, right? You if you have like a multiple character, multiple avatar in a scene, right?
I want the avatars to change clothes and styles and different backgrounds, like interactive or video backgrounds. Oh yeah, so if we could just change the clothing on them, and everything, is that something that's possible without
Yeah.
re-recording,
It's
or and you have new actors and actresses coming constantly,
right.
correct?
So actually, what we are going to launch the AI GC avatar feature. You can create the avatar from nothing, right? But you can also upload some photos of yourself and then create it for your own avatar. It's like if Joe, you can upload like 20 to 30 like your own like photos, right? And then you can use the prompt to say, okay, I'm in the beach, or I'm in
Yeah.
like the office, right? So
Yeah.
or you in like in the airport, right? So
Yeah.
you can create anything you like, and then this is your face.
I see.
You can
So
also
custom.
change your fit. You can
Yeah.
change your clothes. Yeah.
Yeah, that's cool. So
You
custom
can.
avatar needs to be of a real person only. Can it be AI generated? So the custom ones that we upload, it has to be us as of right now.
No. You can be AI generated.
No, I mean the ones the custom ones that we record. It
Yeah.
needs to be a real
Right,
person. So
right
can it, like,
now,
I guess they're saying, can it be like AI, like people were asking earlier, AI, cartoon, AI generated
yes.
person?
I think
Could we,
it can be the AI, but the result, the effect, right? We are good at in the realistic. No,
yes.
for the cartoon. Cartoon, we can do better on
Gotcha.
it, but it takes us take us time. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Let's see. Arnab, can anyone confirm whether a background track is automatically added when creating a video ad? Is it possible to turn it off from the settings if there's a background track? I don't mean
Ah,
if it needs some
right,
music. I know there's
creating it.
audio. You could
What
have
does
background music running. You don't need to have that enabled. I know that, but I
Yeah,
don't know
yeah.
if you meant like,
If you want to disable the music, or you want to, make like empty in the background, it definitely can do it, right? Even if we don't have it, you can request this feature. It is very easy for us to add this feature.
Bruno, is the future about products that talk to the customer?
Yeah, I just say like AI
Yeah.
GC avatar, you should wait for it, and you will totally unblock your creative. Yeah, you can make the avatar and you like, right? You can use the avatar to
Yeah.
make a video for you, right?
Hugh, did anyone ask what happens to Jog when a bigger company buys them? This is a good question because your goal as a business owner is someone wants to pay you a lot of money and buy Jog one day or whatever the tool is, and then what happens? Do you have
Uh,
this on
you
your
know,
plan?
yeah, it's very how to say, it's hard to say right now, right? It's very depends, right? If we can be a very good company, we will be the be
The best,
standard,
yeah,
right? Yeah, but if you are just part of some some area, we definitely can get acquired, right? It's depend on which area you are in, and then how good you are. It's very hard to say right now.
yeah. I guess a lot of the LTD buyers are just want to make sure they're taken care of, and if you can negotiate that in the sale, if you don't sell Jog, you'll be bigger than Apple, so you'll be all right. Hugh, cool glasses. Yeah, these glasses are like 15 or 20 years old. I just started going blind like this year. So I have to go to the eye doctor. I have to get better glasses. Let's see. We're getting towards the end. I don't want to keep you too long because I know it's getting late over there. So a lot of the questions, if we don't answer all the questions, because we can't, there's so many. Thanks everyone for great turnout, by the way. And Bang, again, thank you for doing this. Let's see. Do you want to sell? Let's see. Because a
let's
lot of these have been answered early on. So,
yeah. Let's pick
uh,
up like something later.
Joshua, any plan to integrate auto post to social instead of downloading and uploading?
Yeah, I actually I said before,
Yeah,
we will
yeah.
definitely add this feature. This is very important. Not only for auto post, right? It's also for like data. If you come data, if we have data come back, we can have like the data to analyze how to improve the video.
Hey, there's Kenmu. Yes,
Oh,
Ken. Thank you.
Kemu, yeah.
Ken,
Hello,
yes, we're
Ken.
still live. We're like going on 2 hours here. We were like, I would do an hour Q&A. But Ambang's been nice enough to go longer here. Uh, but yeah, thanks, Ken, for organizing this as well. We are still here. It's not tape, but you could all watch the replay if you missed it. And damn, I'm late. Yeah, you're a little late. See the time zones, guys. Yep, 2 hours. And create share plates. Oh yeah.
Yes, 2 hours.
Oh, this is
We
something.
start.
Having to create and share templates and add on a marketplace for you may be. Yeah, that's something that we were talking about. I think I asked you earlier
No, no, I
about
think
making.
he, I think she is asking about about like sharing. If someone created a template and then he can share in the community, right? I think in the future we will do it. Not only the template, also for the avatar. If someone create a very good avatar, he can sell it for other people, right?
Phil, about the question on custom GPT, maybe it would help with exposure since it's a custom GPT placed on ChatGPT. For example, a text generated by ChatGPT can be added to the text part right away on Jog, just like the Canva custom GPT can
Oh,
create
I see.
slide. And yeah, this is the follow-up question.
Oh, I know what they mean about the customer GPT. So I can answer you. We definitely will add this customer GPT, and then when we generate the script, you can like talk with the the bot or talk with the customer GPT to refine the script.
Driven to empower. The ability to record our voice in the platform would be a nice addition to voice cloning. Yeah, you could
Yeah,
record actually, right? You could put your own script,
actually,
right?
yes. Yeah, I
Um,
think he was what he asked is he want like standalone like a voice clone. Right now, our voice clone is come with the avatar clone, right? But in the future, the TTS, the voice clone, we will make it as a standalone feature.
let's share in the group and keep Anbang going for 3 more hours. Ken, crazy. Oh yeah, Patrick, you noticed my huge crayon. It's over. It's over there. I have a big crayon. It's my piggy bank where I put all my pennies. Bruno wants to know: does Jog AI allow for not for safe work content? Where's your mind, Bruno?
Yeah, I think we don't allow it, right? But in the future, if another tool probably.
Finally, everyone got to be a model in Jog. Yeah. Let
Yeah.
me see. So we got that. I think we got all the questions. Well, we missed some. Some are being repeated, but appsumo.com, Jog AI. That's a lifetime deal, going for maybe another month, but grab it soon if you're interested. Jog.ai is the website. Ken Moo's group, which Ken I mentioned earlier, you got to shorten that URL, man. Come on. I know you're keyword optimizing, but visit Ken's group, please. Subscribe to my wonderful YouTube channel if you can.
Yes.
And yeah, let's see. Let's see. This webinar is great, Joe and Anbang. No, I got to thank Anbang for reaching out and doing this.
Yeah.
I really
I
appreciate it.
like to, yeah, I very appreciate it. I like to talk with the users. This is how we improve our product, right?
Yeah, yeah. No, and it was, kind of we went back and forth. I did a review video. Ken kind of organized it, introduced me to you guys. I was like, "Oh yeah, I'm already using Jog. I like it." So Ken says, "I think Ambag is using AI avatar now." Yeah, you get frozen sometimes, but I think the Jog AI avatars are
Yes.
better than the
You're
Wave
smart.
live stream. We got to work on the internet connections, I guess, for all of us.
Yeah. Someday
Um,
probably we can use our AI avatar. We don't need to show up on the screen.
Yeah, yeah. And that's what there were good questions today. People were asking for that feature that we could just start using our AI avatars, Jog avatars, put them in and do stream. And eventually one day, Ambang and myself, we're going to be on here. It's going to be our Jog avatars talking
Yeah.
to each other, so, um, but yeah, no, thank you very much. I don't know if Ambang, if you want to mention anything else, I figured
Um,
we've gone 2 hours. I'm sure you're tired because it's much later over there by you and you need some rest.
yeah. I don't want to say too much. I just say, thank you for all of you. to be like early adapter, early early supporter, right? So just give it a try. We have like 60 days refund policy. If you have any requirement or any needs, just contact with us. We will definitely to listen to all of the like feedbacks, right? Okay, and thank you all. Thank you, Joe. Thank you, Ken, and thank you all the like Sumerlin or LTD user, Kamoon. Yeah.
Yeah, no, thank you. And yeah, maybe we'll do this again in the future and have future updates where Jogg is at. I'm excited for 2025. It sounds like you have some good stuff on the roadmap. So, uh,
Yeah,
and any
and
other,
one more thing. So how about we should give some like give away to the audience, right? So it's we after the webinar we give them, or right now we should give them.
you want to do a giveaway now?
No, I don't think so.
After.
So
Yeah,
we
we'll do
can after.
after. We'll go through it. I have a recording. I have all the names here. I'm sure we're gonna have people. Don't DM me and message me that you want me. We're gonna have it done by the Jogg team and with AI, and we'll find out who are the great questions and comments. And I think you're doing 10. I believe you're very generous for the giveaway. So.
Yeah. We just want everyone happy.
Yeah, make everyone. You're never gonna make everyone happy, but do your best, And also, like other people, like Rabin mentioned, and other people, stay to your vision of what your plan is for Jogg. You've been listening to the community extremely well, so I think that's great. And
Yeah.
yeah, keep posting in Ken Moo's group. If you want to post in the LoudEgg group, go ahead, and I'll keep this up on YouTube. And I think Ken will keep it on in his group, hopefully. So people, you can ask questions there, follow-up questions, reach out to Anbang and Constance on support. They're great. And let us know what you think about this. And yeah, have a good evening, Anbang,
Yeah. Good
and
evening. Thanks,
good
Joe.
day, rest of you. So
Yeah. Good day. See you.
see you. Bye, everybody. Thank you for
Bye.
joining us. Appreciate it.
Thank you. Bye.